How to change country or location on Indeed.com. Really easy and simple, guys. So first things first, make sure you're actually logged in and then come here at the top right. You will see your profile icon. Click on this. And then what you want to do, guys, is come and click on profile. Okay. Then once this page loads up, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now here is my name. And then here is my information. What you're going to do is click on this arrow pointing to the right. And then right here, we can go ahead and change our country. So come click on change. Let's say I want to change this to the United States. Click on this drop down menu. I'll go ahead and choose United States and then go ahead. You can put a street address. Let's choose a state. Let's do Florida. Let's do Florida state. We'll do is Florida City in Florida. And you can add a postal code if you want as well. And you can go ahead and update your phone number. Boom, guys. And if you want this number to show in Indeed, you can toggle this on so that recruiters can see this number. And then go ahead and click on save. Okay, once you've clicked on save, as you can see right here, guys, our country or location has been changed.